So we have a wedding to plan.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader.
Hey guys, YouTube channel, something special today with your girl Anabi's Kitchen and Bake. I've so loved to give you guys this good news, and if you've been watching my videos, I told you guys something is about to take place. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you've not subscribed, please don't wait to hit the subscribe button below, to like, share, and to comment, and to know when I upload a new video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button to get notified when I upload a new video. So guess what? Your baby's girl is. So we have a wedding to plan. So it's a new year, 2024, and we got the good news to get married. You know, it's a good thing, and I'm super happy because it's the Lord's doing. So I just decided to open this vlog to let you guys know that your baby girl is off the market. We're off the market, and this vlog is going to be all about our wedding. Our wedding is coming up very soon. I'll keep updating you guys, but for now we are getting married. So please, I will be dropping other updates about cooking. I told you guys on the last video I did that our video is going to take a turn. We'll be doing more vlog, you know, lifestyle and others, because I'm going to carry you guys through all through my wedding process. You know, you guys are going to stay back, watch, and get entertained on this channel. If you watch to this point and you've not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscribe button below to like, share, and to comment. So I'm stepping out. Our wedding is ready. I have to go and distribute it to a few of my uncles, and then I also want to check out 1 or 2 things at the market. Then people that are getting married this year, they're seeing shaking bazaar, because this economy is dealing with us. The price of things are going up. If you go to the market to get something, maybe an inquiry or so, the next few hours or few days, the price is skyrocketing to something else. So the few survey I did, I need to go and get them before we hear is now 10,000, 20,000, and 50,000. So without wasting much of your time, I just thought to open this vlog and give you guys the latest gist, the latest bridal. So please stay tuned as we bring you guys the next update back to back and back to back. Okay, but for now, please see you guys in my next video. Bye.